I have here a buffer polisher. Got everything out so you can see everything it comes with. It comes with the polisher here, some safety equipment, instructions, and then it comes with 3 different pads, a waxing, polishing, and a cleaning pad. And then it also comes with a nice microfiber cleaning cloth. So it's really nice. This is just a Velcro right here. So when you're ready to use it, you just stick it on there and it's gonna be nice and attached. And this does come with 2 handles, so you can have a hand here and a hand here. And it also has a variable speed, and you can lock the switch on as well. So to lock it on, you're gonna squeeze the trigger and then push this button and then release the trigger. You can see it's locked. Then to unlock it, you just squeeze the trigger and let it go. The variable speed control is built into the switch with this little dial, and you can just adjust it to where you need it as you're using it. So I'm going to show you the different speeds. So I locked it on. Now I can just adjust the knob here, and you can hear the different speeds with that quick, easy adjustment. So I added some polish compound here, and I'm just polishing away. There's a little scratch with some paint transfer. I'm just trying to polish this and see how much we can clean it up so it doesn't look quite so bad. So this is super easy to use, using both handles and having the trigger locked up in the on position, so it's nice and comfortable, and it's doing a really nice job polishing up this spot on the car. Keep in mind, with most polishes, after you use it, you let it dry to a film like this is, and then you're going to take a nice microfiber cloth and you wipe it off before you wash or do anything else. So now I'm going to finish this off with some wax. I had to pull it in my garage a little bit because it started raining outside and you want this dry. So I got some wax on and the wax pad. Now I'm just going to do this spot right here. So this makes it a lot easier to do a lot of the work, especially with something that had as deep of a mark as this did. Would have taken a lot of time doing that by hand. So you can see it did a really good job of cleaning off the paint and polishing off the scratch so it doesn't look as bad. And the wax went on really quick as well. So I'd recommend this to anybody that has cars that they want to try to keep clean and looking nice. This is going to make it a lot easier and faster to do polishing and waxing.